Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your UMPQUA Bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, open to your default browser and search UMPQUA Bank Login. After that, you'll find online banking login under UMPQUA Bank. Just click here. Now, you'll find login on the top right corner of your screen. Just click here. Click on the option that favors you best, but for now, I'll choose personal banking. Now, from here, you just simply have to enter your login ID and click login and enter your password and you'll be logged in. In case you forgot your ID or password, you can click here and reset it. If not, then just simply log in. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.